Landing your first English gig. A step-by-step guide. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a common English idiom, landing a gig. Whether you're a musician looking for a concert, a freelancer seeking a project, or a student aiming for an internship, understanding this phrase is key to navigating the English-speaking world. The phrase, landing a gig, is an informal way to say that someone has secured a job or an opportunity, usually one that is temporary or for a specific project. The word, gig, originally referred to performances by musicians, but now it can apply to any short-term work. Let's take a quick look at history. The term, gig, dates back to the 1920s, where it was slang among jazz musicians for a one-time performance or engagement. Over time, its use expanded beyond the music industry. Now, let's put it into action. You can say, "She landed a gig at the local theater," or "I'm trying to land a gig as a graphic designer." Notice how it's about achieving or obtaining a work opportunity. For those on the job hunt, here are some tips. Network. Connect with professionals in your field. Showcase your skills. Build a portfolio to show potential employers. Be persistent. Don't give up if you don't succeed at first. And there you have it. Landing a gig is all about securing that coveted opportunity. We hope this video helps you in your journey to master the English language and snag your next gig. Keep practicing, and you'll be landing gigs in no time.